Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sadli Firmansyah uh, from Department of Automotive Engineering, Universitas Negeri Padang. In this video, I'm going to show you about our research. The title is Experimental Study on the Effect of Oxyhydrogen Electrolysis Voltage Variation on fuel mass flow rate in a four-stroke gasoline motorcycle engine. With the author is Hasan Maksum, Jerry Rizky, me, Dwi Sudarno Putra, and Wawan Purwanto. Before we start the presentation, thanks for Universitas Muhammadiyah Magelang for organize the Borobudur International Symposium. Thanks, Nima. Okay, we start. Uh, the first of all is introduction. The present study investigate the effect of a wet cell electrolyzer on the fuel consumption of a four-stroke motorcycle. Specifically, the study examined the impact of different electrolyzer installed where on air filter or intake manifold across various engine speed for variation 1500, 2000, 2500, and 3000 rpm revolution per minute. The primary objective is to determine the extent to which electrolyzer integration can reduce fuel consumption and identify the most effective location of install for enhancing fuel efficiency in small-scale motorcycle application. This is the documentation of our research. This is the electrolyzer battery when installed on air filter. Okay, this is the method of our research. This is the specification of motorcycle. We use the carburetor motorcycle, uh, and this is the research pattern. Yeah, we treatment install on air filter and install on intake manifold. This is the research scheme. Uh, how how we to install the electrolyzer on intake and the second on air filter. Yeah. Next, this is the formula for the mass flow rate. Yeah, and this the documentation step by step on the testing the treatment our research. Okay. Result and discussion. This is the uh, standard data without electrolyzer, not use the electrolyzer. Yeah. The ferric fuel with milliliter per second. Yeah. You can see on the table ferric fuel consumption. Next, this is the with electrolyzer install on air filter. Then the second, install on intake manifold. Okay. After we get the data, we calculate uh, to finding the comparison and uh, percentage reduction is in fuel consumption. You can see in uh, my chart. My chart. Uh, and the blue is without electrolyzer, red install on air filter, yellow install on intake manifold. You can see. Uh, Overall, uh, the height reduction, the height reduction, we get it installed on intake manifold at 1500 rpm, 22.30%. Yeah. Next, the conclusion. The study uh, demonstrate that the application of a wet cell electrolyzer on a four-stroke motorcycle effectively reduce fuel consumption across various engine speeds. The integration of the electrolyzer led to reduction ranging from 5.6% to 23.9%, with the highest efficiency gain record at sorry, this is the uh, ABQ. Okay, at 1500 rpm when installed on intake manifold. This result indicate that SSO or oxyhydrogen gas supplementation significantly improve combustion efficiency by enhancing the homogeneity of the air-fuel mixture and facilitating more complete combustion. Finding extend previous research by demonstrating that control electrolyzer integration with modern motorcycle fuel injection system can achieve fuel saving beyond the improvement typically reported in earlier studies. This position electrolyzer as a promising supplementary technology for addressing fuel consumption and emission concern in small-scale transportation. I think enough about my presentation. Sorry about the mistake. Wabillahi taufik walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.